Hi, I'm Violet, the Abysmal Witch, and welcome to the first practical segment on uh, some new versions of ritual basics and getting into a sacred space in a new, therefore unorthodox methodology. The first step is about centering and connecting. So to go through this, first we're going to go through it, then we're going to talk about what that means. I want you to pause. You'll notice if you're watching me, I've closed my eyes because I want to feel into this experience, and I invite you to feel into this experience by closing your eyes. Perhaps taking a hand, left, right, doesn't matter, and placing it on your solar plexus is a great spot, or just above might be good. It's a little more awkward depending on how your chest is set up, but somewhere in and around your core area. And just, yeah, right over the solar plexus is nice, which is the spot, if you follow the bone, your breastbone, your sternum, and you go down, there's a spot where your bone ends and your solar plexus is about an inch, 2 inches below that. And just feel into that spot and feel that you have a body, that your body has form, that it has movement of blood and air and cell division and growth and all these life processes going on, micro and macro, inside of your body. You are a living body. And there's a place that is at the center of you. When I say center, is your impulse to go up into your head? Or is it into where your hand is? Is it in your heart? Is it down in your pelvis or in your feet? Note that first impulse of where you feel your center. And then invite it to be awake and aware of the centeredness beneath your hand. If you have an impulse to sigh, let yourself sigh. If you have an impulse to yawn, let yourself yawn. Come to your center. It'll be somewhere in this mid to lower section. It is you at your most you. That is centering. For connecting from that center of you, allow yourself to be aware that there is a cord, a line, a flow of energy from that center point of view that flows down and is connected to the earth, to the planet, to the source of the nutrients of our soul. And that those nutrients come back up through that line and that connection all the way to your center. And that your center also that has that cord, that line, that energy going up, reaching up to the sun, to the spirit, to the universe, to the all that exists, so that we are stretched between the one mind and the one thing, between the dreamer and the dream, connected, centered, aligned within ourselves. In short and in essence, this is about centering within ourselves to coming to that place where we cannot be knocked off of where we are in our power and in our strength with no need to push it onto other people, and the ability to not be pushed off by others. We are connected into the root of all that is, into the source of all that is, with a line of purity, in the healthiest sense of that word, that can be very effective for other things. So at its simplest, that is centering and that is connecting. Thank you. I hope you've enjoyed.